Singapore, here we go. The Jewel. Singapore. Where's the water though? Where's the... Oh, wow. There's a big hole right there. Singapore. All of the signs are in English. You take the CG2 to EW4, and that's how you get to the city. You have to make a transfer. Super easy. All the announcements are in English as well. So as soon as you exit the train, you just tamp your back card again, and you go. And then here, if you want to continue walking on the escalators on the right hand side, not on the left. If you're gonna drive a car, you drive on the left hand side, not on the right. So we just exited the subway. And look at this. Fresh fruit vending machine. We just got a jackfruit. And it was $3. That's like, I want to say 275 American dollars, something like that. Because the exchange rate is 133. Actually, no, it's less than that. It's like 250. Fresh fruit, fresh juices, little plants. And then by the airport we saw flowers. It's cool. We need that in America. So we're in the, it's called Bogus Street Market. The other half was like souvenirs, t-shirts and whatever, and then you cross the street and it's like a food court. It reminds me of Mexico, like the mercaditos and stuff. So when you're done eating at the food court, you go to the sides and that tower over there, that's where you place your your plates. Or sometimes this lady passes by with the cart and she picks up everything already. Thank you. Yeah, everything's about $5 to $5.40, $5.50. Super cheap. Food court. You get like those incense, and then you pray with them. It's a cool little street behind Bogus Road. And it's like little shops, and it's nice. So we're still in this little beautiful street. We went inside the temple. Couldn't film or take photos in there, but this is the like the Indian temple. Is that Shiva right there inside? Anyway, for this one you can't go in with shoes. For the other one, you're okay going in with shoes. And also, there's all these vendors in the streets you don't have to buy incense, because once you walk in, the incense are free and the torch to light them is free. They just do whatever donation you want to give after. Same thing here, whatever donation you want to give after, but no shoes in here. We're in a different row in Bogus Junction, walking towards Victoria Street. They have all kinds of stuff. Little gift shops. Most of the stuff they do have, like, if you look at the tags, they do have price tags or like stickers that say how much it is, because that's pretty cool. It's reasonable prices. We just got a power adapter in one of these shops for $2. Well, 2 Singapore dollars, so it's less than $2. If you forget your adapter converter thing, you get one here. Oh, and then we also have those like fresh juices. They were delicious. Getting on a random double-decker bus. Oh, that's cool. Earlier we went to, there's a mosque down there. There's like little turkey where they had like kebab and stuff like that. That's on the south side of Bogus. And then on the, oh, there's another mosque right there, look. And then if you go the opposite way from the mosque, or mosque, that's Little India down there. See those streets over there? Yeah, but we jumped on a random bus, and we're gonna get hopefully lost and have an adventure. We still got a few hours for chicken, so should be fun. Traffic signs, street signs. Even where it says like no parking, fee up to like $500 or whatever. Everything's in English. Super simple if you want to drive. But just remember, you gotta drive on the left. Another thing I would take back to America. See this highway right here with the flowers on top, like on the signs? That's beautiful. We should have that in America. Also, if I don't know if we're gonna go straight or not. Yeah, like all the crosswalks, the bridges up there. Look at the flowers. Plants. That's dope. Instead of, you know, graffiti and all that stuff, we could take that idea and implement it over there. How cool is this? They have a shared umbrella. I've been seeing like umbrellas throughout the city. Like why is everybody throwing away their umbrellas? But that's cool. You share it and then you return it. And I don't think you have to pay. No, you don't have to pay. I know in some countries you do have to pay. You rent it at the airport and then like you have to bring it back, obviously. But not here. That's awesome. Singapore. Wow. And again, with the plans and the bridges, awesome. So we jumped on a regular bus. The bus, you could tap in, don't forget to tap out with your credit card. Or the fare was $1.70. $1.70. We're in May 1st, 2023 right now. So that's the current prices. All right. So there's like the Uber service is called Grab, right, here in Singapore, and it was like 15 bucks, but a 25-minute walk. Like, it's a beautiful day, let's walk. Anyway, it's worth it. So we checked out the eye. I don't know what it's called, I forgot, the something needle. And then we're gonna take this bridge right here. It's called, I think, the Helix. Take the Helix to the other side. Then we're gonna walk, and that's where the light up flowers are. On this side, the far end, I don't know if you can see it, is the lion with the mermaid body. I have no idea what his name is, but I'm curious about it now. So the little flowers are over there. There's two shows. One at 7:45 and the other one at 8:45, I believe. But we are in the double helix bridge. It's freaking hot as hell, humid. And it's like 7 p.m. already, so it's still hot. So yeah, they're gonna start lighting everything up. Whatever is over there is the cloud forest. It's just like a man-made waterfall in a rainforest type of deal. See that over there? And that's it, but it's 45 bucks. So it's up to you guys if you want to pay up, you know. So we don't want to pay, but there it is right there. It's like a mountain of just waterfall all the way down with, like, they have different species of like plants and stuff. And what else? You have the flower dome over there. Then we're gonna go see these plant light up right now in like 30 minutes. Oh, and then you got Shake Shack. Pretty cool. We walk away from the rainforest, going towards the city, and there's the entrance. Shows in about 15 minutes. 15 minutes. There's a lot of them too. There's a bunch here, and then if you walk more like west, there's a lot more over there too. You want to just chill here or what? Oh snap, there's a bridge up there.
Yeah, you have to pay to go through.
Oh, screw that. Oh shit, see that bird?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Gardens by the Bay presents Garden Rhapsody. Watch the super trees come to life as we unveil a dazzling showcase of lights and musical treats. Tonight we present Opera in the Gardens. So pick a spot, grab your cameras, and enjoy the show.